are at Terminal B. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be the Marriott Hotel.
Usted se encuentra en la Terminal B. Agarre la barranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es el Hotel Marriott.
I think I kind of recall these trains now.
Oh, you've been on this one before?
I think I've been on these before back in 2005.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Pretty good.
Oh, they do.
You are at Terminal B. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be the Marriott Hotel.
Usted se encuentra en la Terminal B. Agarre la barranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es el Hotel Marriott.
For your safety and the safety of others, the airport luggage carts are not allowed on the subway train system. Please offload your luggage or use the pedestrian tunnel to continue to your destination.
Para su seguridad y la seguridad de otros, los carritos para equipaje del aeropuerto no se permiten en el sistema de tren subway. Por favor, descargue su equipaje o use el túnel de peatones para continuar a su destino.
Let's switch sides. Yeah, I didn't get to get my full cab because that dude came in.
Yeah.
These are in Concourse B.
Yeah. These go to check-in and baggage claims and stuff.
Yeah, let's get off at R.
What's on the R?
That's parking.
Okay.
As you saw, they ripped out one of the elevators.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, did you see the doors on the left?
Yeah, isn't there like another one on the right too?
No, there are blue doors, like Sphinx ones. They ripped out one of the elevators.
Wow.
Oh no, it's right there. Oh no, yeah, see, they used to be there probably. I'll show you when we go back down. And that's it.